Welcome back to the channel. I want to show you guys some clip attributes and a few ways you can adjust your audio files depending on your usage. So on this clip here, if we click and go to the clip attributes before dragging it into your timeline, you can manipulate the audio from here. Now, originally what I did was delete the first two channels so I could have single 3 and 4. You could also just reroute them from here and designate your first pair to be 3 and 4 like this, your second pair to be 1 and 2. Another feature here is you can mute it right here. And then when you bring it down to your timeline, it's automatically muted. Or you can just delete it from the timeline if you just separate it using the Option key. And one benefit to this is all your audio remains intact and in time. And then that way you don't have to relink this audio or do the match frame thing and hunt down if you needed that original pair's audio again. So I thought this was beneficial because your timing gets maintained. Then here's another thing you can do. Anytime you have a linked clip, you can just hold down Option and select whatever item you need individually. So here, if we wanted to put channels 1 and 2 back into audio channels 1, we can just slide this first one over, select the bottom one with Option click again, Option up arrow to slide that into audio 1's position. Then Option select this pair and slide that back in, and you'll see the audio sync indicator goes away. And now we have the original stereo pair back on audio 1's slot. And you can use the D key to enable and disable all the tracks, or just the individual ones like that, or right click, choose clip attributes again, and then you can mute and unmute from here as well. All right, I hope that helps. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video.